Using an automotive performance chip. Using an automotive performance chip in your car can offer several benefits, depending on the specific chip and your vehicle's characteristics. Here are some potential advantages. 1. Increased engine performance. Performance chips are designed to optimize engine performance by adjusting fuel injection timing, air-to-fuel ratios, and ignition timing. This can result in improved horsepower, torque, and overall engine responsiveness. With enhanced performance, you may experience faster acceleration and increased top speed. 2. Improved fuel efficiency. Performance chips can optimize the engine's fuel consumption, resulting in improved fuel efficiency. By fine-tuning the air-to-fuel ratio and other parameters, the chip can help your car operate more efficiently, potentially leading to reduced fuel consumption and cost savings in the long run. 3. Enhanced throttle response. Performance chips can eliminate or reduce throttle delay, which is the lag between pressing the accelerator pedal and the engine's response. With improved throttle response, your car will feel more responsive and deliver power more quickly when you need it. 4. Customizable tuning. Some performance chips offer customization options, allowing you to adjust various engine parameters to suit your preferences. This flexibility enables you to tailor the chip's settings to match your driving style, whether you prioritize power, fuel efficiency, or a balance between the two. 5. Easy installation. Performance chips are typically designed for straightforward installation. They often plug directly into the vehicle's diagnostic port, requiring no special tools or technical expertise. This means you can potentially install the chip yourself or have it professionally installed without much hassle. 6. Reversible modifications. Most performance chips can be easily removed, restoring your vehicle to its original factory settings. This reversibility allows you to revert to the stock configuration if desired, such as for warranty purposes or when selling the car. Automotive performance chips are the gateway to unlocking the true potential of your car's engine. They offer a range of benefits. You can transform your driving experience and take your car's performance to new heights. So, if you're ready to unleash the power within, consider investing in an automotive performance chip. These likewise can be done without breaking the bank in the process. Depending on your vehicle type, there is a wide range of possible application. The various costs can range from as low as $90 up to $300 for the chip type, and if you really want to go for performance tuning, you can go with engine power programmers that can range from $350 up to a couple $1,000s. Bottom line is, this is just another option in order to squeeze out as much horsepower and torque that you can out of your awesome ride. It's important to note that the actual benefits you experience may vary depending on your vehicle's make and model, the quality of the performance chip, and other factors. Additionally, modifying your vehicle's engine performance may have legal implications, and it's crucial to comply with local laws and regulations. Consult with automotive experts and reputable manufacturers before making any modifications to ensure compatibility and legality. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.